Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your virtual account card number in Google Pay. If you don't have the Google Pay app, go to the Google Play Store and install it first. You will also need to link your debit or credit card to your Google Pay. Once you have done that, follow these following steps to view your virtual card number. First, open the Google Pay app and scroll to the bottom. Select the Cards tab to view your debit and credit cards. Now tap the card you want to use. Next, select the option for the virtual card and read the terms and conditions. Now click Continue to proceed. The app will then generate a virtual card number linked to your debit or credit card. Your Google Pay virtual card number will appear on your screen, and you can use it to make payments online or within the app. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you found this video helpful, so please like and subscribe to our channel.